Dawn of degeneration. Profound awakening to pathological transformation. Pathological transformation, like the dawn under a clouded sky, signals that an individual's behavior and character are spiraling into an abnormal vortex. This is not a predetermined fate but a deep awakening of the soul, warning us of getting lost in the darkness of humanity. Don't simply attribute it to external circumstances. Pathological transformation is not a byproduct of external pressure, but the infiltration of inner darkness. It is not only the corrosion of character, but also a silent plea emitted by the soul. When pathological transformation begins to encroach, it's time to halt and profoundly examine the confusion within. This isn't an inescapable fate but the outcome of our inner choices. We can choose to descend into the abyss or welcome the dawn in the darkness. Breaking free from the fog of pathological transformation is akin to embracing the clear morning of dawn. Don't let negative character define you. Instead, redefine yourself through profound introspection and unwavering courage. Every individual possesses the power to change, awakening the wisdom within, resisting the erosion of pathological transformation, and allowing humanity to truly ascend at the dawn.